Are you still creating your image like this using this? If your AI images don't look realistic yet, this will fix it. Before I start, if you haven't subscribed, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use prompts to create a realistic picture, and the results will come out nice. Let's go. So let's go. Yes, open your ChatGPT or Gemini. In fact, any AI tools of your choice. We have so many of them, but I prefer Gemini and ChatGPT. Gemini and ChatGPT. So open your Gemini or ChatGPT, depending on the one you want. Then you will see, go to create your image. Then you will see a sign plus by your left side. Then press it. It will take you to your gallery. Pick any picture of your choice and copy and paste this prompt. Yes, as you can see, I just reduced the size of the ratio. Yes, I reduced the size of the ratio to 9.16. Then allow it to generate. It will take like a minute. Yes, it's still generating. Yes, allow it to generate. Yeah, it takes time, like a minute or 2 minutes. It will generate. Voila, our picture. See, our picture is ready because I used a good prompt to generate this picture. If you want to save, you can press the center and save the picture. If it can download, that's fine. Then what you need is a good prompt. If you write a bad prompt to your AI, definitely your picture will come out bad. Always use a good prompt. As you can see, I use a bad prompt to generate this picture. See what my AI generated for me. So the picture was very bad, as you can see. So it's very bad. So the picture was very bad. So this is how to create a hyper realistic picture using a good prompt. See our picture now. See now. So in my next video, I will tell you the secrets behind perfect AI prompt. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you will see our next video. Bye.